Dyna Glo wall mount propane heater won't stay lit. Pilot light. If I hold the gas knob down, it will only emanate a small yellow flame compared to the strong blue flame of last year. Welcome to JustAnswer. If the pilot goes out when you release the pilot lighting button, then you need to replace the thermopile. If the pilot flame is weak, you need to remove and clean the pilot burner orifice. Compressed air is not how you do it.
The pilot light goes out, so a new thermopile would be needed? I purchased the unit from Northern Tool 5 years ago or so. Where or what am I looking for here in my hometown to find a replacement part? Make and model number? Can I find a parts store on the web?
Yes, if it goes out when you release the pilot lighting button on the gas valve, then you need a new thermopile. They are just about all the same. Go to any plumbing supply house, they should be in stock.
Do I take them the unit? Unbolt something?
Bring the old one with you.
Describe the thermopile.
It's the flame sensor in the pilot flame.
A small fuel line feeds it. Yes?
No.
Just unscrew the coupler and the screw holding it to the body of the heater?
It either has 2 wires or 1 heavy bare copper wire. It's attached to the gas control valve with the other end in the pilot flame. The pilot end will either be a friction fit or a small hex.
So it is the metal bullet-looking piece next to the push-button igniter? Both of those sit very close to the pilot flame when engaged. And then the 2 wires run back up inside the metal housing to the gas valve adjusting button on top of the unit?
Yes, it is a bullet-shaped device. Do you have any more questions?
Last one, to remove it. Unscrew the push button on top of the unit and assume the 2 wires come free. The bottom or end of this thermopile looks pressed into a metal plate. Pry it free or any special tool needed?
It should have 2 easily accessible terminals.
Thanks for your help.
Where it connects to the gas valve. Thanks for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.